The law of assumption is a concept popularized by Neville Goddard, a prominent figure in the New Thought movement and metaphysical teachings. It revolves around the idea that assuming the feeling of your wish fulfilled can manifest your desires into reality. Here's a breakdown of the key principles and how to take advantage. 1. Power of assumption. Goddard teaches that assuming the feeling of your desire already being fulfilled is crucial. This assumption should be so real that it generates the feeling of naturalness and reality within you. In the context of the law of assumption, or the power of assumption, as discussed in various self-help and personal development teachings often associated with Neville Goddard and similar thinkers, the idea revolves around the belief that assuming a desired outcome or state as already true can influence reality to manifest that outcome. Here's how you can use this concept to your advantage. Clearly define what you want to manifest or achieve. This could be a specific goal, a change in circumstances, or a personal trait you wish to develop. Align your actions with your assumed state. Act in ways that someone who has already achieved your goal would act. This helps to reinforce the belief and expectation in your mind. Express gratitude for the manifestations that are already present in your life, even if they are not directly related to your desired outcome. This reinforces a positive mindset and opens you up to receive more. 2. Creative power of mind. According to this law, your subjective experience, your assumptions, beliefs, and feelings creates your objective reality. By assuming the feeling of the wish fulfilled, you impress upon your subconscious mind and influence the circumstances and events around you. The creative power of mind, as understood in the context of the law of assumption or similar teachings, refers to the ability of your thoughts, beliefs, and intentions to shape your reality. Here's how you can harness this creative power to your advantage. Clearly define what you want to create or manifest in your life. This could be a specific goal, a change in circumstances, improved relationships, personal growth, etc. Affirmations are positive statements that reinforce your desired reality. Use affirmations that are in alignment with your assumptions. For example, I am confident and successful, or I am attracting abundance into my life effortlessly. While the law of assumption emphasizes the power of mental creation, it's also important to take practical steps towards your goals. Action complements your assumptions and reinforces your commitment to achieving your desires. 3. Living in the end. Living in the end is a concept often discussed in teachings related to the law of assumption or manifestation principles. It involves mentally residing in the state of already having achieved your desired outcome. Here's how you can effectively use living in the end to your advantage. Embody the emotions and feelings you would have if your desire were already fulfilled. Whether it's joy, gratitude, confidence, or peace, immerse yourself in these positive emotions associated with your desired outcome. Identify and release any doubts, fears, or limiting beliefs that may contradict your assumption of living in the end state. Replace them with affirmations and thoughts that support your belief in the manifestation of your desires. Have faith and trust in the creative power of your assumptions. Trust that the universe or your subconscious mind is working to manifest your desires in divine timing and in the best possible way. By living in the end, you essentially program your subconscious mind and align your energy with the reality you wish to create. This practice helps to shift your focus from lack and limitation to possibilities, thereby enhancing your ability to manifest your desires effectively. 4. Techniques. Techniques such as visualization, affirmations, and mental rehearsals are used to help assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled more effectively. The emphasis is on the emotional and psychological state rather than the physical act itself. Visualizing your desired outcome as already achieved is a powerful technique. See yourself in possession of your goal, immerse yourself in the details, and engage your senses to make the visualization vivid and real. Practice this regularly to strengthen your belief and emotional connection to your desired reality. Writing out a script or story detailing your desired outcome as if it has already happened can be highly effective. Write in the present tense, include emotions and sensory details, and read your script regularly to reinforce your belief in the manifestation of your desires. Similar to visualization, mental rehearsal involves mentally practicing achieving your goals. This can be particularly useful for tasks requiring skill development or performance improvement, as it enhances confidence and prepares your mind for success. 5. Detachment. Once you've assumed the feeling of the wish fulfilled, you should detach from the outcome. This doesn't mean disinterest, but rather having faith that your assumption will manifest in its own time and way. Detachment involves letting go of fear, doubt, and anxiety about the future. These negative emotions can create resistance and block the flow of manifestation. Practice mindfulness, meditation, or other techniques to cultivate inner peace and reduce mental chatter. Have faith that the universe or your higher power, if you believe in one, is working on your behalf. Trust that everything is happening in divine timing and for your highest good, even if you can't see the exact path or outcome yet. Sometimes what manifests may be even better than what you originally imagined. Stay open to unexpected opportunities and blessings that may come your way as a result of your detached state. By practicing detachment, you free yourself from the anxiety and stress that often accompany desires. This allows you to enjoy the journey of manifestation with greater peace of mind and trust in the universe's ability to deliver what is truly best for you. The law of assumption is part of a broader metaphysical framework that suggests that consciousness and the mind play a fundamental role in shaping reality. It encourages individuals to take responsibility for their internal states and use them as tools for creating desired outcomes in life. Don't forget to tell us what you think in the comments section below. Like and subscribe to our channel for more content. See you on the next topic.